Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, welcome to English first paper class. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, now you can see two pictures. You see, there are two pictures. One picture of some tents. You see, here are various types of tents, shabby tents. And there are some boats and some people are living here. Can you guess which type of people live in these places? The people who do not have any permanent house to live, they live in such type of places. And I think now you can guess which type of people live in these places. These are gypsy. Yes, now I think you can guess the topic. Our today's topic is the river gypsies of Bangladesh. Unit 7, Lesson 3. So please open your book, Unit 7, Lesson 3. The River Gypsies of Bangladesh, Part 1. Today we will learn Part 1. After completing this lesson, you will be able to read and understand the text, listen for information, ask and answer the questions, infer meaning from the text. So let's start our class. At first you have to know some keywords, some important word meaning. Because if you don't know these words, maybe the topic will be difficult for you. So please note down these words in your copy. First word, gypsy. Maybe someone know what is the meaning of gypsy, who travel around and traditionally live in caravans. Ethnics, belonging to a nation whose those practice a cultural tradition. Nomadic, a person that moves with its animals from place to place. A person who moves with its animal from place to place. It may with its animal or another thing. Nomadic. And you can say in Bangla, Jajabor. Roam, to travel around without any aim. In Bangla you can say ঘোরাঘুরি করা. Tarpaulin, a large sheet made of heavy waterproof material. Tents, a shelter made of a large sheet of canvas. Remedy, a way of dealing difficult situation. Band, to sell something. Heal, to become healthy again. Talisman, an object that is thought to have magic powers. So I think you got the word meanings. Now let's come to our next part. Now see the text. Now I am reading the text and you attentively listen to me. Open your book, Unit 7, Lesson 3. River gypsies are an ethnic group in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they live a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of our waters. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. You can see their men relaxing in tents. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by hair doing, picking off lice in toes or trees sitting in a row. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive for natural pearls in water. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Women go from door to sell bangles, cosmetics, and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking blood from their body. Many villagers believe in their magical powers of the gypsies. They can make an evil spirit someone's body by magic or special powers. So this is the text, and I think now you got the idea about our river gypsies. Now you know what do river gypsies do in winter, in the monsoon, and how do they live in tents, in boats. So if you have any confusion, you can read the text again, and after reading the text you have to answer the following questions. Now you see there are some questions according to the text. You read the text attentively and try to answer this question. First question, who are river gypsies? We already know who are river gypsies. How do they live? What do river gypsies do in winter? What do river gypsy men do for a living? What do river gypsy women do for a living? Now, I will make the answer for you and you match your answer with me. First question, who are river gypsy? Now got the answer. River gypsy are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. Our second question, how do they live? How do they live? It means how do river gypsies live? Second answer, they live in groups and do not own any land. If you read the text attentively, you will get the answer easily. They live a nomadic life. They live in groups and do not own any land. River gypsies do not have any land and they also live in groups. They live a nomadic life. Very simple life. Number 3, what do river gypsy do in winter? In winter, you see the answer. In winter, river gypsy, they stay in their tents. They pass their time idly, and women often idle away time by hair doing, picking of lice. Number 4, what do river gypsy men do for a living? Now see the answer. River gypsy men catch snakes, entertain people and sell herbal cures to the people. During monsoon, river gypsy men catch snakes, entertain people and sell herbal cures to the people. Number 5, what do river gypsy women do for a living? River gypsy women sell bangles, cosmetics and other things, going door to door. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking blood from their body. So I hope you got your answer, and This text and this topic is very easy. If you join my class attentively, I hope you got all the answers and you got a crystal clear ideas about our river Dipsy. So I hope you have enjoyed my class, and it's time to say you goodbye. Thank you all. Stay safe. Bye bye.